Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to check the transaction limits on your Scotiabank account, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how to view your limits directly from the Scotiabank online platform or mobile app. Now let's get started. So as you can see in here, this is the help center of Scotiabank, and in this section, what you'll need to do is to search for how to actually view transaction limits of your Scotiabank account. After you enter that on the results section, you'll be able to find the specific question for that. So click on that. And as you can see in here, you can actually find on the top of the list this question. So click on that. So to be able to access your account transaction limits, select the profile menu on your app, select edit profile and settings, go to account settings and select view transaction limits. In that section, you will be able to see the limits for various type of transactions, including Interact, e-transfers, ATM withdrawals, and online purchases. There you have it. You can now easily view your transaction limits. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more banking and finance tips. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and bank smart.